Yeah, good day. I'm back again to give it to you back to back. This is High Nation of Wall Street. We're back again to update you on the current happenings going on live in the Bitcoin market. So the question is, should you continue to buy or should you sell at this zone? This is the month of June and people are left with a lot of rash decisions and a fearful decision due to the way the value of their portfolio is dropping. So join me to the chart as I'm about to guide you and to analyze the market, giving you a perfect prediction of what could likely happen and play out before the end of the month of June, July, and August. Join me, let's go to the chart. All right, so let's quickly move to the Bitcoin chart and see the price actions of the month of June, May, June, and July of 2023, 2022, 2021, and some other years gone by. You know, price action is a repetition of previous chart patterns, and price tends to respect previous support and demand zones. So we're going to be watching our chart to see how the price of Bitcoin reacts every month of May, June, and July, and then we're going to take decisions over our next trading plans in the coming years. So let's quickly move down to our chart. Join me. We're going to be making use of Binance on this very video, but then in the Bitcoin market, the financial market entirely, we have what is called a time frame where you watch what traders do or what traders did in the market some minutes ago, some hours ago, some months ago. So we're going to be making use of the 1 month time frame on Bitcoin. But before showing you the areas or months that you should always pay attention, I want to let you know that Bitcoin came into existence in 2008 by an anonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. So the charts of Bitcoin as at 2011, as at 28 to 2011, 2015 wouldn't be on the charts. You won't see them on either TradingView or on Binance. I've tried to see if there is a place where I can see the Bitcoin chart as at when it was launched in 2008, and then also check if I can go through the chart of 2011 bear market, but haven't find it anywhere. So we're going to be looking at charts from 2017. The first Bitcoin bear market happened in the month of June 2011 to November 2011 with a negative decline of 93%. Then the all-time high as at then was $42.67. And something happened as at then. Something happened. This is history I'm trying to tell you before taking you to the chart of 2017. So something happened. There's a popular crypto exchange known as Empty Goals. Empty Goals is a trading exchange, very popular as at then. That exchange was attacked by a hacker, and then the hacker left the exchange with over 850,000 Bitcoin that's been owned by clients of Empty Goals exchange. Okay, so this was what really caused a historical bear market as at 2011. So the price of Bitcoin fell down from 93% down, from $42.67, Bitcoin dropped to $2.91. And then another bear market that happened as at 2013 was the one that was captioned the historical bear market, because of the duration. It lasted for too long. That's the longest bear market. Yeah. And then this started December 2013 and then it lasted till August, the month of August 2015. And the bear market was caused by Silk Road. The FBI they clamped down on Silk Road in the month of October 2013, and on that ground, they were confiscated, locked down, attacked, made sure that they stop operating. Now, what's the reason? That they are operating online black market. So while this was happening, then the issue of Mt. Gox hacking happened. The hacker that took a lot of Bitcoin from Mt. Gox exchange, and this was really what caused the final blow that made Bitcoin to drop that bad. So Mt. Gox attack added to the final blow, forcing Bitcoin to drop to 255 from 1,653 to 255. Yeah, that's the first decline that happened before that of the 42 down to 2.91. So we've had about 4 bear markets. Yeah, we've had about 4 bear markets, and if you watch or look at the history of Bitcoin bear market, you will realize with me that the first bear market started in June 2011. Then the second bear market started in December 2013. All this happened when we've not had BTC chart on either TradingView or Binance, like I said. And then the third Bitcoin crash happened in 2015 when we're not still on chart, before that of 2017. That's the great 2017/2018, the great crypto crash. The great crypto crash happened in 2018, with price dropping negative 83% within a year. So this also happened. If you watch it very well, if you go to the chart, I'm going to be taking you along the chart now. You'll see that most of these bearish months had always been in the month of May, June, July, September. But if you also watch closely, you'll see that the month of October, November, and April, they've always been good months. So now, as a trader and an investor, you are to observe the cycles and know when you feel is the best to invest. Quickly, let's go to the 1 month Bitcoin chart. So let's start from, like I said, on the 2017 August. Look at it here. Bitcoin was ranging at the price of 2,817 to 19,500. If you look at it closely, the price of Bitcoin moved from this region between 2017-2018, and then it moved to it ran. Actually, there's a heavy surge from 2,800 to 19,500 before the great crypto crash that happened, and then first price to drop to 2,800. Now, when did this happen? Look at the months, because the major target is for us to know the months that all this happened. Okay, I'm going to take you to the one week chart and then the 1 day chart. That is where you're going to find out the month when this whole great crash happened. So it crashed down all the way from 19.5 to the region of 2,500, and then went back up. The next, that's after some months or years, price pushed up again to 13,000 region, and they put down a higher low at 6,300 before it skyrocketed to the region of 61, 64, 67,000, and then price dropped, continued to drop until it fell down to 17, to it wicked down to 15,400 as at let's find out when. Let's find out the months that this happened. As at 2022 November, okay, if I'm not mistaken, on the November 1st 2022, price fell down to that point before it pushed up and then to this region. So this is for the 1 month chart. Let's use our horizontal line to let's draw our charts. So let's just use the horizontal line to pick our demand and supply zones. Yeah, so this is it. We are picking the major. We are picking the major region that one should pay attention to. Okay, so all these are the demand zones. Okay, then price got to this point. To this point, oh, it's a zone. So as you can see, these are all strong zones to pay attention. Okay, so let's we're keeping it real, right? Yeah, we're keeping it real. So we should take note of these zones. Okay, let's make use of the week here. In the week here. All right, so this is for this is the Bitcoin movement for since the past how many years, because this happened. We drew all this on the 1 month. Okay, now let's look at the 1 week chart and then look at the months. Okay, if you look at the 1 week chart, you're going to see some trend. You begin to consider putting up some trend lines. The price of Bitcoin rallied from 33,000. I hope this video is not becoming too long. All right, so that is all for today concerning the market sell-off. The crash, it's crashed, but then it's not crash enough to call it the bear market. So I believe you gain valuable information that is going to help you when taking your trade decisions. You are to know when to trade and when not to trade. Personally, I have taken this decision to only trade the month of January, February, March, April, then invest May, June, then invest majorly in the month of July, breaking early August, and invest again by September, and then allow my investment to yield October, November, December, January, February, and I cash out. But I will never trade the market in the month of May, June, July, and September. That is my personal decision. I made that decision when I carefully look at Bitcoin charts. I carefully analyzed. I carefully saw how price reacts. I came to understand that it's not seasonal, but there are cycles we should respect. There are months that we should know that where this month belongs to the bull, this month belongs to the bear. History has always proven it that way, and you wouldn't come to control the market. Do you get? So you trade what you see in the market and not what you feel. So I think it's better off
on Bitcoin chart, it's better off to invest in those months that seems to be too bearish than to trade those months, because it may affect your psychology. So I believe that from all I have shown you on the chart, from all that I've shown you on the chart, from the 1 month time frame to the 1 week time frame to the 1 day time frame, you should be convinced within you. You should be convinced. You can still go to search, check out things by yourself, that there are bullish months and there are bearish months, and then there are months one ought to trade on the futures, ride on leverage, trade on sports, and then invest on certain months in order not to run at a loss. Trading is not just having the knowledge, but finding your edge. Not just having the knowledge, but finding your edge. If you know your edge, you would be able to make more profit. Not trading sometimes is actually trading. You mustn't ride the market all the time to prove that you're a trader. Not trading sometimes can actually be trading. Like you can't come to say that you've not had challenges, you've not run at a loss. I do run at loss, I do, but the target is to maximize profit and to minimize loss. 2022, if I'm not mistaken, 2022, 2023, I lost thousands of dollars in the month of October when FTX exchange crashed. Before the crash, I made a prediction in my community, and because I feel maybe I know too much, sometimes most times it's not even good for you to feel or think that you know too much about the market. Even if you know it, you should do it. So I knew it, and I told the people to pull out from their trade because of what we sensed that this FTX crash is going to affect FTT, is going to affect Solana, which actually happened. So I was in the market in the month of October. I got liquidated. I lost thousands of dollars. I lost a huge lot of funds on that day because I feel I couldn't navigate my way. My people are out of the market. They are free. They are safe. High Nation should ride the market. I wouldn't know what to do, but then on the process, I lost my funds. So what am I trying to say? Though this didn't happen in the bearish month, this happened in one of those bullish months, but it's no longer before that stuff. Markets has started recovering alongside with stocks, S&P 500, NAS 100, and the rest of them. They started recovering. We sensed it, and I told the traders, the market, that there's going to be a political pump, and we expected that, which actually happened on S&P 500 stocks and NAS 100. We didn't experience it. Crypto traders didn't experience that pump. They couldn't experience that pump because of the black swan. Black swan is an unexpected negative news that breaks out from nowhere, out of fundamentals. It just break out and then cause a huge and serious panic, forcing traders to sell and then other futures traders to get liquidated. So that was what happened on that month of October. It was a serious black swan, even though I warned it and I saw it coming, but then I ran at a huge loss. We should be very, very careful and pay attention to details as long as the market is concerned. So all these things we are doing, it's not because we don't want to lose, but it's because we want to gain more than we lose, and we want to see our portfolio on our account grow more than it diminishes. So that is it. Please kindly hit or subscribe to our YouTube channel